Good morning, students. Welcome to Path Online Tutorials. We are doing chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Till now, we have done how to find the values of t ratios of different angles. As we have found the values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, and values of tan, cos, secant, cosecant, and cot of all these angles. Now onwards we will use some trigonometric identities. These are three trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So first of all, let us find how these are equal. So in order to find these identities, let us draw a right triangle. This is a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. Suppose angle C is theta. Now see, according to Pythagoras theorem, I can say that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. How? By Pythagoras. Sure. So what is new in it? How can we use Pythagoras theorem in order to find these identities? See, sin square theta is a square of sin theta, and sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. Suppose I want to introduce hypotenuse here in the denominator. Let us divide both sides by AC square. दोनों साइड्स को AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दिया. Cut is equal to 1. This is AB upon AC whole square plus BC upon AC whole square. Now observe what is sin theta here. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular AB upon hypotenuse AC. And what is cos theta here? Base BC upon hypotenuse AC. Now see this. AB upon AC, that is sin theta. BC upon AC, that is cos theta, is equal to 1. So in this way I have got sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is our first identity. Now for the second identity, tan square theta. Tan theta is perpendicular AB upon base BC, and secant theta is cos theta का रेसिप्रोकल AC upon BC. अब सपोज इसी इक्वेशन को मैं दोनों साइड BC से डिवाइड कर दूं, दैट इज AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर अपॉन BC स्क्वायर. So here it is AB square upon BC square, that is AB upon BC whole square plus BC square divided by BC square is equal to AC upon BC whole square. Cut 1. AB upon BC is tan theta. This is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to AC upon BC is secant theta, and इसका स्क्वायर हो गया secant square theta. So this is our second identity. Now let us observe what is cot theta here. Cot theta tan theta का reciprocal BC upon AB, and cosecant theta reciprocal of sin theta AC upon AB. दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर AB है. अब अगर सेम इक्वेशन को मैं AB से डिवाइड कर दूं, देन इट इज AB स्क्वेयर प्लस BC स्क्वेयर डिवाइडेड बाय AB स्क्वेयर AC square upon AB square. So it is AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equal to AC upon AB whole square. ये कट हो गए. 1 plus BC upon AB whole square is equal to AC upon AB whole square. So BC upon AB is cot theta. Cot theta का स्क्वायर हो गया 1 plus cot square theta, and AC upon AB is cosecant theta. इसका स्क्वायर हो गया cosecant square theta. So in this way we have derived all three identities, and you can easily observe that I have divided both sides of equation one by AB, AC and BC. तीनों साइड से एक एक करके मैंने डिवाइड किया इस इक्वेशन को, और मेरे पास 3 आइडेंटिटीज आ गई. नाउ वन मोर थिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस इज sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We say that this is the relation between sin theta and cos theta. If I have to establish one relation between sin theta and cos theta, then this relation can be sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again, I can say that 1 plus tan square theta plus secant is equal to secant square theta is the relation between tan theta and secant theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. I can say that this is the relation between cot theta and cosecant theta. Now, based upon these three identities, we will do exercise 8.4.